Grammar lesson. Ever with question words. Number 1. Whatever. Whatever means anything or everything that, no matter what.
I put $25 in the account so you can buy whatever you want. I put $25 in the account so you can buy whatever you want.
Number 2. Wherever. The meaning of wherever is in, at, or to any place.
Wherever you are, I want to go there too. Wherever you are, I want to go there too.
Number 3. Whenever. Whenever means at any time that, or on any occasion that.
Take them whenever you need them. Take them whenever you need them.
Number 4. Whoever. Whoever means the person or people who. Any person who.
Whoever said money can't buy happiness sure hasn't lived this long. Whoever said money can't buy happiness sure hasn't lived this long.
Number 5. Whomever. Whomever is used instead of whoever as the object of a verb or preposition.
Whomever they ask for, you come find me. Whomever they ask for, you come find me.
Number 6. Whichever. Whichever is used to say that among various possibilities, there is no important difference, or that you are free to choose the one you like.
Which one?
Whichever one you want.
Which one?
Whichever one you want.
And the last one is however, and it means in any manner or way.
Sure, however you want to do it. Sure, however you want to do it.